Can I finish?
Anybody. No,
Can I finish before you get yourself arrested?
Why can't we be
This
here?
is private property right here.
Right, who's asking us to leave?
I'm asking you to leave.
No,
I'm the supervisor in charge.
On behalf of who? The city? Are you representing this church?
I'm representing the city. That's correct.
Good.
Take your protest across the street, sir. You can peacefully do that all night long.
Sir, we're just attending an
understand what you're
event
doing.
that we are
And you have
invited
every-
to,
and
and
you
you
have
have
every right
inserted
to
you have
protest.
inserted yourself and taken the
You
authority.
have every right to do what you
You've
gotta
gone
do.
outside your authority
No, I have
under
not.
the
No, I
color
have
of the
not.
law. Hey, God
Answer
gave,
my question.
God gave you 2 ears.
Answer
and
my
one
question.
mouth.
Only God can judge me. That right? Only God, baby. Nobody else.
I don't agree with folks going to churches to record and call it a First Amendment audit, but I do agree with peaceful protests and holding up a sign wherever you're in public. Shout out to Jeff Gray at Honor Your Oath, Ron Benghazi Headland, and Mr. Porter. These guys have some of the best peaceful protest videos I've ever seen. Make sure you guys go check them out. Welcome back, folks, to Audit the Law. And the video we have for you guys today is quite outlandish. This man was invited to a church and conducted a peaceful protest. The way this 3-striped Chevron thug behaves himself is clearly unprofessional and irate. Watch as he is ready to arrest this man for not obeying his presumed authority and unlawful commands. Check this out and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
How you doing, sir? Who's the gentleman in charge of your protest?
God's in charge, sir.
No, I'm talking about a human being I can actually speak to right now.
Well, you
'Cause
can pray. You can pray to God.
You cannot be here.
Why can't we be here?
This is private property right here.
Right, who's asking us to leave?
I'm asking you to leave.
No,
I'm the
on
supervisor
behalf
in
of,
charge.
On behalf of who? The city? Are you representing this church?
I'm representing the city. That's correct.
You're representing the city?
You are
And the
impeding-
city hasn't... We're not
Can I
impeding
finish?
anybody. No,
Can
you
I
can't,
finish
but
before you
can't
get yourself
finish.
arrested?
What are you going to arrest
This
me
is what
for?
I'm going to do. I'm going to ask you nicely to take your protest. You can peacefully protest. You cannot impede the traffic of people coming in here, and you cannot block their access to coming into the church. That's simple.
And you can't take your
Okay.
gun and shoot anybody with
I'm
that.
not talking about shooting anybody,
I'm
sir.
not talking about impeding any traffic.
Okay, you need to go across the street to take your protest.
Across the street?
That's correct, because this is the
Across
property
the
line for the
street.
church. That's correct.
Really?
That's correct.
Okay.
That is correct.
Okay.
So you
if,
either
and
have,
if I don't,
you can
if
either
I don't,
protest,
what are you going to do?
then you're going to get arrested.
You're
for
going to arrest me,
disorderly
so it's
conduct.
under
That's
threat of arrest.
That's correct.
Okay, that's all I need to know.
All right, so
you guys are all witnessing
take your
it?
protest. Take your protest across the street.
Each one of you. Each one of you. Good.
Take your protest across the street, sir. You can peacefully do that all night long.
Sir, we're
if you
just
want.
attending an
I understand what you're
event
doing.
that we are
And you have
invited
every-
to,
and
and
you
you
have
have
every right
inserted
to
you have
protest.
inserted yourself and taken the
You
authority.
have every right to do what you
You've
gotta
gone
do.
outside your authority
No, I have
under
not.
the
No, I
color
have
of the
not.
law,
No,
sir.
I have
Yes,
not,
you are.
sir.
It was never established or revealed that the owners of this church had asked this man to leave. This officer kind of just appeared out of nowhere and started barking orders at this man. He did also say that he was invited to the church in the first place, so I believe that should be considered as well. The temper tantrum throwing tyrant had told this man to protest from across the street, which is absolutely an unlawful command. Not only any cop can just come out of nowhere and start telling you what to do without having you broken any law, he does unfortunately move across the street under threat of arrest, and when dealing with officers like this one, sometimes the best option is to comply in avoidance to getting roughed up, hurt, and beat, because there's absolutely zero accountability for these officers when they do commit these types of acts. Keep watching, folks.
Breaking the law
No, I
right
have
now.
not, sir.
Yes, you are.
No, I have not.
Yes, you are.
You're impeding on private property.
I'm not impeding anything. You don't.
You're standing here, and they don't want you here. It's that simple.
Well, yeah, a lot of people don't want things, man.
The church
Like I don't
doesn't
want you here.
I don't want
but
you
I,
here.
But
Unfortunately,
you
I
don't
got
want
called
you don't
here.
want me here. Okay.
Unfortunately,
Thank
I
you.
got
Thank
called
you
here.
for at least being honest.
I'm being
thanks,
honest
Thanks
with
for
you. You
being
need to go
honest.
across the street.
Okay.
All right? You could protest all night.
Okay. We're not going across the street.
That's where you have to go.
I'm not going there.
Well, you can't stay here.
I'm not going to stay here. But I'm
You can't stay here.
and the
You can't
reason,
be in the
and I'm
parking
going to
lot,
tell you. I'm going to
and
tell
you
you.
can't stop traffic, and you can't do any of that stuff.
And you can't shoot him, and you can't shoot him.
What
and
does
you can't
shooting have
shoot
to do
him.
with anything? We're talking about a protest.
Why
do you keep bringing up shooting?
You're saying I'm
Why do you
impeding.
keep bringing up shooting?
Hey.
Answer my question.
God gave you 2 ears.
Answer
and
my
one
question.
mouth.
Why do you keep bringing up
Stop
shooting?
yelling.
We're talking about protesting.
Dude, step
That's what
back.
we're talking about.
You get
That's
him
what
under
we're talking
control.
about. You need to go across the
Get your
street, or
lieutenant.
you're going to get arrested. There is no lieutenant. I'm in charge. Let's go.
You're in charge. You're a
Let's
big
go.
tough guy, aren't
Let's
you?
go.
You're
No,
a tough guy.
I'm in charge right
oh,
now. Let's
you're
go.
a tough guy.
Let's go.
You're a tough guy.
If that's what you want to call me, that's fine.
What's your city attorney's name?
Don't worry about this. You find out. That's your job.
I'll do
That's
my
fine.
job, man.
That's fine. Let's go.
I'll do my job.
You need to go across the street.
You're a horrible cop.
Yeah, I am.
You're a horrible person, man. Why are you so mad?
I'm not angry.
You're
all you're talking about is
spitting in
about
my
is-
face.
I'm not spitting in your
You
face.
were spitting in my face.
Yeah, now you're lying.
No, I'm
now
not.
you're lying.
No.
Let's go. Go across the street. We're not going to continue this conversation.
We're not going to
done
continue.
talking.
We're done.
Yeah,
What are you
we
going
are
to? You
done
got to
talking.
go to Dunkin' Donuts or something.
done
sir?
talking. Don't
Is that
worry
where you
about where I
gotta
gotta go.
Is that where you got to go?
You got better things to do.
What do I got to do?
Like go across the street.
Teach cops how to be real?
I am being real.
No, you're not.
I tried
You're
to be
a
nice
tyrant.
to you, and you're going to start talking
You're
about
a
shooting and all this other
tyrant.
stuff.
You're
Let's
a
go.
tyrant.
Let's go.
You're talking about stopping traffic. You're
Let's
talking
go.
about
That's
blocking
what
people.
That's what you were doing here.
Where? Where did you see that?
You need to go across the street.
Where did you did? You saw me step in front of a car? You're lying. You're a liar.
You're absolutely.
You're a
did.
liar.
Everyone here saw it.
You're a little child cop and you're a liar. How old are you, man? How long you been an officer? You want to end up like this guy? You want to end up like him?
I've been a cop for over 25 years, sir.
Yeah,
I know what I gotta do.
and you've been a bad
Cross
cop.
street. Yeah,
No,
that's why I've been here.
I'm standing right here.
No, you got to go across the street.
I'm standing right here.
You
This
cannot
is a
stay here.
public easement.
No, this is private property
This
right
is
here.
not
This is part of their property line,
Doesn't
sir.
matter.
You need to go across
Are
the street.
you familiar with what an easement is, sir?
No. This is
You're not.
part of their property line.
I didn't think you were.
This is part of the property line right here.
Let me explain.
And I already.
Do you know how an easement
validated
works?
that.
It
You
works from
understand?
the center of the street and
I'm
goes
not
in.
going to sit here and let you tell
Again.
me. You need to go across
Again.
the street.
All right, so you're going to arrest me.
You need to go across the street.
At this point, I believe this man was good already to stay at the end of the sidewalk and they would stop retaliating. You guys can actually see in the video where it looks like they already crossed the property line. He does make a good point that the traffic signs are on a public easement, but as you guys were able to tell, these officers weren't trying to hear anything this man was saying and just wanted to flex some authority. Overall, I believe this man did good with this interaction because I can tell you guys already that a seasoned auditor or cop watcher definitely would have taken the arrest.
I understand what you're saying, but you're going to
need
arrest
to
me
go
if I don't go
across the
across the
street.
street, right?
You need to go. Do you want to protest?
Are
Yes
you
or
going to
no?
arrest me?
Answer my question.
Are you going to arrest me?
Answer my question.
Do
you want to protest peacefully here?
Quit trying to kiss me, dude. Step
I'm
back.
not trying to kiss you.
Are you going to arrest me?
trying to kiss
Are you
you.
going to arrest me if I stand here?
Yes.
On this
you are going to
easement.
get arrested if you
On
stay
this
here.
easement.
Yes, you are. This
On
is not an easement.
It is
This
too.
is part of the property.
There's a sign right here.
No, there's
public signs right here.
Okay. As soon as you're done, I will explain to you. Are you done? The property line goes from the curb, because there's no sidewalk
We're
here,
not
obviously.
talking about the property. We're talking about public easement.
You're on private property
We're
as we
talking
stand.
about, it doesn't matter.
Yes, it does matter.
Public easements are for
No.
public
You need
right
to go
of
across the street.
way.
You need to go across the street.
Okay.
You need to go across the street.
You're, okay.
You need to go across the street.
Last chance.
You need to go across the
Last
street.
chance. I'm offering you one more
I'm
time.
not giving you a chance. You need to go across the street.
Okay.
Let's
okay.
go.
Otherwise,
the
you're going
street.
to arrest me.
Let's go. Go
You're gonna
across the
arrest
street.
me.
Let's go. You can stay there all night if you like. Go.
You're going to get me killed.
He stopped traffic for you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The car just. You're an idiot, dude. You're a complete idiot.
You can call me whatever you like, sir.
That's all right, Randy. We'll just sue him. We'll sue him.
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's private property.
You're going to lose your job.
I do know that. That's why
You're going to lose your job, man.
That's why I'm telling you to cross the street, because I know that.
You're going to lose your job.
Have a good night. You cross the street, you come on over, you're getting arrested.
Yeah, we're real scared of you. We're real scared of you.
If you guys enjoyed this one, please go ahead and leave your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. Don't forget to go show some support to this channel. He has been putting out protest videos on his channel for over several years now. Much respect to that, by the way. But this is how cops act when they know they don't know the law and would do anything they can to get the situation over with, whether it be violating your constitutionally protected rights or worse. Don't forget to hit the subscribe icon as well as the bell notifications for future videos. Thank you guys for tuning in once again, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Oh, you are not subscribed. Do it now or get off YouTube, bitches.